In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the version history in Webflow. So, if you're working on projects in Webflow and need to track changes or perhaps revert to an earlier version, this guide is just what you need. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to get yourself to the Webflow platform. For those who are new to this, start by searching for Webflow on Google. A quick search should bring it right up. Once you've navigated to the Webflow homepage, go ahead and log in if you have an account. Alternatively, if you're new, you can sign up. It's pretty straightforward, and Webflow does a decent job of guiding you through the process if you're creating a new account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to fire up the Webflow Designer. This is where all the magic happens with your projects. When you're in the Designer, head over to your project settings. You might find this in the top left corner or tucked away in a menu that's easily accessible. Now, the section that you're particularly interested in is labeled either Backups or Versions. It's under this tab that you'll find all the historical data about your site versions. Inside this section, you'll see a comprehensive list of automatically saved versions of your site. Each version on this list comes with a timestamp, making it easy for you to identify exactly when each set of changes was made. This is incredibly useful because it gives you a clear chronology of your design process, illustrating how your project evolved over time. Now, if you want to take a closer look at a specific version, there are two main actions you can take. Simply hover over the version you're interested in. You'll notice options appearing, one of which is an eye icon. Clicking this will let you preview the selected version in a new tab. A fantastic way to see exactly what your site looked like at that point without altering your current design. Alternatively, if you've stumbled upon a version that you'd like to bring back, look for the three dots icon. Click on it, and you'll find the option to restore that specific version. Restoring a version means the Webflow Designer will revert your site back to how it was at the time of that save. It's akin to taking a step back in time, allowing you to recover from mistakes or simply revisit previous design iterations. This feature is invaluable when experimenting with various layouts or design elements and can save a lot of time and hassle in the development process. And there you have it. A simple way to access version history in Webflow, providing peace of mind as you create and adjust your web projects. Remember, being able to see and manage your version history effectively is a powerful tool in your developer toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy designing.